My name is Jim. I'm with Allied Refrigeration. I'm up here in Ohio, west of Cleveland, right on Lake Erie. Um, this job I'm going to show you it's a drive-through. You know, you buy beer and soda and cigarettes. People just drive their cars through the building and pick the stuff up. There's a condensing unit that was up against the wall. It's an old one. Very difficult to work on. All the electrical components were right up against the wall. So what I did was I disconnected it, turned it, spun it sideways, lifted it up on cinder blocks to get it out of the slush, and built a new metal cover for it. And I pumped the system down, put a vacuum on it, and charged it up and got it running. But this is what the unit will look like. Thank you. This is the unit. This is the sheet metal cover that I made to cover the unit with. It's my shop. This is do a little sheet metal work. Here's the unit. It's a little beat. Somebody made a wood frame and put some sheet metal on it. It's difficult. You can't lift it off the compressor to get at it. You'll see in a second when I was talking about the controls. But I changed that filter dryer and the sight glass on it. But if you look to the right, the compressor, the electrical compressor, the capacitor, the relay, and the contactor, it's all the way over to the top there. And then on the bottom you have two fan controls, and there's a dual pressure control that's being changed. And here's the unit. I put it on cinder blocks and I spun it sideways to the wall so that you can clean the condenser out, yet you can still work on all the electrical components. I have to pipe it in here. The suction line is cut, and I'm about to put it all together. Now it's pipe. There's a sheet metal cover. I'm installing it. I have to drill a hole in the side to put the suction line into it. This will be up off the ground. The snow and the slush won't get into the electrical components. Here I have the suction line installed and the liquid lines installed, and I'm pulling the vacuum on it. And it's coming down. It came down pretty good. It held the vacuum. Emptied the nitrogen out. A little bit of glare there, you can't see the micron, but it's running, it's doing good. And it's the finished product. It's running now. Beer's getting cold, soda's getting cold, and there's a little bit of an incline there. I had to push up the center block there, the one in the front, but I got it pretty level. It's nice and clean. The owner was very happy.